Negotiating with creditors can be a useful tool in reducing your debt burden and improving your financial situation. Whether you are struggling to make payments or just want to lower your interest rates, there are strategies you can use to negotiate with your creditors. In this article, we will provide tips on how to negotiate with creditors and reduce your debt burden. Know your rights. Before negotiating with your creditors, it is important to understand your rights as a consumer. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, has regulations that protect consumers from unfair debt collection practices. Knowing your rights can help you negotiate more effectively and protect yourself from harassment or abuse. Be prepared. Before you contact your creditors, gather all the necessary information about your debt, including your current balance, interest rate, and payment history. This will help you make a strong case for negotiating a lower interest rate or payment plan. Contact your creditors. Once you are prepared, contact your creditors and explain your situation. Be honest and transparent about your financial difficulties and why you are seeking a lower interest rate or payment plan. Be persistent. Negotiating with creditors may take time and persistence. Be prepared to make multiple calls or send several emails to reach an agreement. If one representative is not able to help you, try contacting another representative or a supervisor. Propose a payment plan. If your creditors are willing to negotiate, propose a payment plan that is feasible for you. Be realistic about what you can afford to pay each month and try to negotiate a lower interest rate or waive late fees. Get the agreement in writing. Once you have reached an agreement, make sure to get it in writing. This will ensure that both parties are clear about the terms of the agreement and can refer to it if there are any issues in the future. In conclusion, negotiating with creditors can be a useful tool in reducing your debt burden and improving your financial situation. By knowing your rights, being prepared, contacting your creditors, being persistent, proposing a payment plan, and getting the agreement in writing, you can negotiate with your creditors effectively and achieve a more manageable debt burden. Remember, negotiating with creditors takes time and effort, but it is worth it for a secure financial future.